Fuck, that was ironic. Evening, everyone. Gotta be honest, I was a little bit nervous coming here because I was getting the train over before and I was struggling to remember my jokes, but I could weirdly remember every line to Eminem's Lose Yourself from 2002. So we'll see how it goes. I thought I'd start by telling you a little fun fact about myself. I grew up not knowing my dad. It gets funnier. It hasn't really affected me though. I'm a fairly normal lad, normal issues, clinical depression, suicidal thoughts, the cool ones. One thing it has done is it's made me really determined that I want to be the best dad that I can be. But it's pretty hard because I haven't got any kids. I've been in a relationship for 7 years though, and I think we would like to have kids in the future, I think. She's actually in tonight, my girlfriend. I'm not sure why though, she won't find any of this funny. I think it's a combination of moral support and also so she can use it against me when we argue in the future. She come up to me like, remember when you said this about me on stage? So with that in mind, if she does get offended by anything that I say, she can fuck off. I do get a point though, like nobody would want to do this to a child, would they? I'm bald before I'm 30, I'm short, I'm chubby, I'm a borderline alcoholic. I look a little bit like someone's grabbed a potato and just shoved it on top of a clothes hanger. And one thing she really hates about me is that she says I spend far too much time in the toilet when I go for a shit. But it's the only place in the house you can go where you get any peace at all, because she will not walk in and want to talk to you while you're on the bog having a shit. So I go in fully armed. I go in with phone, iPad, headphones, in case I want to watch a bit of porn and I don't want to hear the moaning. So I'd sit there like, oh! I bet you feel sorry for her now, don't you? Because like, this is what she has to look at when we have sex. For 4 or 5 seconds. Until one of us starts crying. So the other day I went in there, the dream zone, and I sat down and I realised I'd forgotten to take anything in with me. So I was sitting there staring around the room in desperation, and then, bingo, Colgate tube, you'll do, you minty bastard. I sat there for half an hour, reading the back of the Colgate. I read every word on that tube. Like, I can only speak English, but I can tell you how to prevent a plaque build-up in 4 different languages. I'm quite a lazy person. Like, I'm one of those people who's a bit like, I'll ignore it till it goes away. A bit like my dad was with me. I'm also one of those people whose mind is so childish, you just can't say anything that even remotely sounds like an innuendo around me. I went for dinner with my girlfriend recently and we were sitting down reading the menu, and I thought I'm going to check the football scores because my priorities are in the right place. So I'm sitting there reading the text for one of the live games and it just said, fisted away by the goalkeeper. I was gone. Just sat there trapped in a vortex of my own disgusting mind, imagining weird fisting situations with goalkeeper gloves. It was a bad day. I'm starting to feel old physically though, even if I'm not old mentally. Like hangovers aren't the same anymore. When I was 19 or 20, I'd go out, get drunk, wake up hungover, get up the next day and just be like, do you know what's going to help this? A pizza and another day on the piss. And at 4 o'clock I'd be back in the pub, fine, not bothered. Now when I wake up hungover, my mouth tastes like I've decided to eat a carpet covered in shit when I was asleep. And I'm like, do you know what's going to help this hangover? Death. Death is the only thing that's going to help this hangover. You've got no one to blame but yourself because you know exactly how shit you're going to feel when you do it. And I'm one of the worst for it. I'm that lad who's tipsy at 9:30 and he's like, let's get on the shots, lads. And then my mates be like, Tom, remember last time we did shots at 9:30 and you nearly died? You text us the next morning telling us you disappeared into the woods to start writing your own will. We have to send the search and rescue team out for you. Do you really want to do that again? And in my head I'm like, you've got a point to be fair, but what falls out of my mouth is, yeah, but Jaeger bombs. That's me guys, thanks a lot.